The house in Kia, nestled on a terraced slope, exemplifies a harmonious integration of contemporary design with the island's traditional building practices. The architects, mindful of the existing landscape, meticulously preserved the native flora and restructured the site's terracing, ensuring minimal disruption to the natural environment. The house itself emerges as a series of interconnected volumes, some independent, others forming intriguing voids that serve as entrances and courtyards. A key feature of the design is the interplay of spaces. A longitudinal path, following the slope's gradient, connects three distinct courtyards: a sheltered courtyard at the heart of the house, a shaded one beneath the canopy of oak trees near the living room, and a sun-drenched courtyard at the end of the corridor. These courtyards, each with its unique character, infuse the house with a sense of tranquility and bring the outdoors in. Perpendicular to this path, the main living areas, the living room and two bedrooms, open up towards the mesmerizing Aegean Sea, offering breathtaking views. The circulation spaces, including entrances, corridors, and bathrooms, are cleverly designed as voids, visually connecting the different volumes and adding a sense of openness and airiness to the interior. The flat roof, mirroring the plan of the house, forms the building's dominant facade. It not only provides cross-ventilation for the living and sleeping areas, but also functions as a rainwater collection system, directing precious water to a strategically placed cistern, a silent yet vital element of the house. Constructed using traditional local techniques, the house eschews excessive ornamentation. Most surfaces, from floors and external walls to internal wet areas, are finished with simple, robust cement, emphasizing a raw, unadorned aesthetic. This minimalist approach allows the architecture to truly shine, showcasing the interplay of volumes, the careful consideration of light and shadow, and the seamless integration with the surrounding landscape. The house in Kia is a testament to the power of thoughtful design, where form and function are elegantly intertwined to create a truly unique and timeless residence.